You're managing books with QuickBooks. But tracking sales with Salesforce? Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a new QuickBooks customer is added, create their record in Salesforce automatically. Or every time a Salesforce deal closes, generate the invoice in QuickBooks instantly. Or even, when customer details update in Salesforce, sync those changes to QuickBooks in real time. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between QuickBooks and Salesforce, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.